Major news right now in the trucking industry. As the FMCA, we have a new acting administrator that's going to be governing over the FMCA. And all truckers know that could be good or it could be bad, man. So in today's video, that's what we're going to get into. Adrienne Camire, or Camire, I don't know how to even pronounce her last name. She serves as the acting administrating for the Federal Motor Carrier Administration, the FMCA, at the Department of Transportation, the USDOT. Guys, she is the new acting administrator. This could be good or bad. Miss Camire joined the FMCA in January 2025. They just threw us truckers anybody, didn't it? Like, it could have been somebody that knew how to drive a truck, somebody had trucking experience, somebody that knows how to deal with truckers, but I don't think Adrienne Camire even knows how to. This role, she leads USDOT and FMCSA's critical mission to advance commercial motor vehicle safety through regulation, education, partnership, enforcement, and technology. You know they're gonna be big on the enforcement, because why? Miss Adrienne with the FMCA, guess what? She graduated from law school. She didn't graduate from trucking school like me and you, but she graduated from law school. Miss Camire previously served as USDOT Chief Counsel of the Federal Highway Administration, FHWA, overseeing all legal services with respect to FHWA's management with the Federal Aid Highway Program. In addition to her time with the USDOT, Ms. Camire has over 20 years of legal, regulatory, and compliance experience. Yes, she looks like she's going to be very, very compliant, bro. It don't look like it's going to be nothing getting past her. It is going to be different for us truckers out here. Within the private and academic sectors, she's earned her BA in economics and political science from Brandeis University and a JD from Suffolk University of Law School. Guys, this is on the FMCA website. This is breaking news. So all truckers out there, just know 2024 might it might get a little rough on these roads, man, if you know what I mean. Because Lord have mercy, if they haven't already made it different for us already, they definitely gonna make it different now. Sheesh. FMCSA appoints acting administrator Adrienne Camire. They're in, you know, this guy named Duffy says he's pleased. Duffy says, I am pleased to welcome Adrienne Camire as acting administrator of FMCA, and said the transportation secretary Sean Duffy, who described the appointee as a dedicated leader and brings executive experience, vision, and a strong commitment to safety. I have no doubt FMCSA will continue to make our roads safer and keep America moving under her leadership. Ooh. Camire said, thank you, President Trump and Secretary Duffy, for their confidence in me to serve in this role. I am honored to lead the FMCA in its mission to prevent commercial vehicle crashes, fatalities, injuries on our nation's road. I look forward to working closely with all stakeholders in advance to share our safety goals. Guys, let me know down below how you feel about this breaking news. It's hard for us truckers out here on this road, and anybody who wants to learn about trucking, realize that it comes with a price. But all us guys that's been out here for a while, we know that this can either mean something good or something bad. So hit a comment down below how you think about this video.